In Part D, we're asked to explain why the estimate found in Part C differs from the actual value of integral from 0 to 1/2 of e to the negative t squared dt by less than 1 over 200. And we can see that our series for the integral is an alternating series. So we should write, we're trying to explain why, and so because x minus x to the third over 3 plus x to the fifth over 5 times 2 factorial minus x to the seventh over 7 times 3 factorial is a strictly alternating series whose terms decrease in absolute value to 0 when x is equal to 1/2. Therefore, the difference between the actual which is integral 0 to 1/2 e to the negative t squared dt and the estimate using two terms, that would be our 11/24, must be less than the third term. And the third term, when x is equal to 1/2, we would get 1/2 to the fifth over 10 and that's 1 over 320, which is less than 1 over 200. And so that's how we would explain it. Since we're working with an alternating series, it meets the criteria of the alternating series test because it's strictly alternating. The terms decrease in value to absolute 0 when x is equal to 1/2. Therefore, the difference between the actual and the estimate of using only two terms will be less than the first excluded term, or the third term, which turns out to be 1/2 to the fifth power over 10, or 1 over 320, which is less than the 200 that we were trying to show that it was less than in the first place. Alright, so that does it for this part and for this problem.